Hey guys, welcome back to the Noble channel. Today we got a really simple install for you. We're going to be replacing the ugly orange outdated halogen bulbs in the reverse section of this 2022 BRZ with our T15 LED bulbs. So these are going to be a much cooler white color, and they're going to be probably twice as bright as what's in there now. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to install this, and then we'll wait till it gets a little bit darker and we'll do some comparisons for you. So for this install, you're going to see underneath this whole rear light section, there's going to be 3 plastic pop clips. All we got to do is take our tack puller or a flathead screwdriver and get in there and lift up on these clips and pop them out. Again, there's 3 of them. They should come out fairly simple. If one gets stuck, go ahead and maybe take another end out first, but you should be fine. Now, you can either lift this like this, or you can actually pop this whole panel off to make it a little bit easier for yourself. Then your bulbs are going to be right here. We're going to twist them, pop the halogen bulb out, take our new T15 LED, pop it in place, and twist the new bulb into place. Do the same thing for the other side. Lock it into place, and then we're going to take this panel, pop it back on, take our pop clips and put them back into place, and then you're good to go. Now people are going to see you when you're backing up, and it's going to give your car a little bit more modern look. So every other light on this car is pretty much LED besides these, so not sure why Subaru didn't include that, but now you have them. Very cheap mod, very effective. So let's see some before and afters. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's install video. Super simple, really easy mod, and it's not going to take you any time at all. So make sure to check these out. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get yourself a set of these. And also keep in mind these are universal, so if you don't have a 22 BRZ and you have something else and you require T15 bulbs, we have them. We also have 440 bulbs. We have all kinds of other bulbs. So I'll leave a link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.